Hiccups, illustrated by Newsham. "Good morning, children," said Mrs. Best. "Good morning, Mrs. Best," said Puppy. "Good morning, Mrs. Best," said Kenny. "Good hic," said Joe. "You have got hiccups," said Mrs. Best, "but I know what you should do. Hold your breath and count up to 10. That will stop your hiccups." So Joe held her breath and counted up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. "That's better, isn't it?" said Mrs. Best. Then Joe said, "Hic." "I know what you should do," said Puppy. "Drink some water and hold your breath and count up to 10. So Joe drank some water and held her breath and counted up to 10. "That's better, isn't it?" said Puppy. Then Joe said, "Hic, hic." "I know what you should do," said Kenny. "Put your fingers in your ears, drink some water, hold your breath, and count up to 10. "Hic, hic, hic," said Joe. Everyone tried to help. "Sing a song," said Mr. Jelly. "Hic." "Eat a biscuit," said Mrs. Pie. "Hic." "Stand on your head," said Miss Rose. "Hic." Joe did all that, but nothing worked. "Hic." All morning Joe had hiccups. "Hic." All dinner time Joe had hiccups. "Hic." All playtime Joe had hiccups. "Hic." The hiccups did not stop. "Hic, hic, hic." "Try running," said Tom. "Try jumping up and down. Try spinning round and round. Try holding your nose." Joe did all that, but nothing worked. Joe was fed up. "Hic, hic, hic, hic." Suddenly, the cat ran past very fast, and Mr. Tucker ran past very fast. Chip flapped his wings very fast. Then Chip flew up. "Oh, Chip has stopped my hiccups," said Joe. "Hooray!" "Chip!" said Chip. "Hooray!" said everyone. But Mrs. Best did not say hooray. She said, "Hip." Then Joe, Poppy, and Kenny said to Mrs. Best, "Hold your breath. Stand on your head. Put your fingers in your ears." The end.